Okay, I just wanted to give a quick reminder about how we're going to do the vocabulary. So, your goal for the vocabulary is you're going to open up your assignment, right? So, you're already on there if you're seeing this video, and you will click on your assignments. And you'll see this graphic organizer that should look pretty familiar to you by now. Okay? When you are filling this in, you will not be copy and pasting answers from Google. Okay? If you do that, you're going to get a 0, which would be a shame, right? Because you didn't learn anything. No big deal. How we're going to fix that is we're going to do it correctly. So, where do you find these answers? You may ask. You're going to find them in your online textbook. Okay? The online textbook's in our Bitmoji classroom, but we also try to link it for you in the directions. Right? So you'll open up your vocabulary, you can click the link in your directions. You will wait for it to load. All right, well, once it loads, you're going to sign in, okay? When you sign in, your username is your school email, and your password is your school ID number, okay? Once you type that in, you'll see Lindenwold School District at the top. You'll click sign in. All right, once you're signed in, sometimes it automatically brings you to Discover, sometimes it does not. So just double check at the top of your page. There's going to be these tiny little titles at the top. One will say Discover. That's what we're going to click on. My computer's being very slow today. Okay, here's the part where you really need to pay attention. So notice that the week that I'm using for an example right now is 4.2 vocabulary. Okay? 4.2 means module 4. So I'll click module 4. I have an extra click. You don't have this. Don't worry about it. When you click on module 4 for you, it will immediately open up your online textbook. Right? So 4.2 means module 4, lesson 2. Okay? I'm going to use the same video for other vocabulary lessons. So for other vocabulary lessons, if you see 4.4, right, you know it's module 4 and lesson 4. All right, I made it into module 4. I'm going to click this contents button, the 3 lines in my upper left-hand corner. And when I do that, I'm going to get these gray boxes, okay? We're in lesson 2, like I said, 4.2, module 4, lesson 2. Click lesson 2. And then in the lightest of the 3 grays, you will see lesson review. Awesome. Click on that. And you'll find these virtual flashcards. All right. Virtual flashcards are going to give you all of your vocabulary. So what you'll do is you'll click it to flip it over, or you can click down here. Either one, they do the exact same thing. You cannot copy and paste this, so you will use this to toggle back and forth and type in what it says. So I would type in here, a meeting of colonial delegates in Philadelphia, etc., etc. Okay? You'll do this for all 8 terms. So I'll use this tiny white arrow to get through all 8 terms. Make sure that you're using the small white arrow and not the big ones, because that's going to bring you somewhere totally different. Okay, once you finish filling in all of your vocabulary, you'll click that turn in button and you'll get a good grade, and we'll be so excited. All right, thanks guys. I hope this helps someone.